Hi everyone, hey, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at this gooseneck microphone. The model is AU-GM10. We can look at the box. Not bad, regular box if you want. And on the back is going to explain you all the specification of the model. And on the side is going to explain you everything the microphone can do. Let's open it and let's look inside. Okay, let's open it and see inside. Okay, so just to be, that's perfect. Et voila, like the holder. What we have inside, it's a happy card, and in the back, if you need help, it tells you about the email support for the microphone. Here we have the user manual, and inside we have English, Dutch and Japanese. We have the foam for the microphone. We have the cable. And we have the gooseneck microphone. When I was using it and I speak on Skype, I found this microphone, you don't need to be far to speak inside. You just need to be average, like probably 8 or 10 inch far from the microphone. And you can put it the way you like. What I like too, it's that going to be the button on and off. It's like soft touch. You don't need to press a lot. When it's green, it's a go, and when it's red, this is close. You have the big button for the plus and the minus. You have a jack in the back. You can install a headset. The only thing you cannot listen at the same time, it's you speak and after that you listen. You don't hear your voice. Okay, now this is the test. 1 2 1 2. I hope you love the sound you heard. The thing I found, it's the plus and the minus. It's only good for when it's time to listening. So if somebody is talking to you and it's very loud, you can bring down the volume of your headphone. And now my microphone, it's at 0 dB. I hope you love it, the sound, not my voice, but the sound. And this is the test. I hope you like this video about that microphone gooseneck. If you love it, don't forget to thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And the link on Amazon is going to be down there. See you in the next one.